Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Spectrum app error. So let's get started. So here you have to follow the simple method. Okay. So here I can see the Spectrum app. So I will just press and hold it here. Then here I have to click on this I button. It will open the app info of the app. Okay. So at here you have to scroll down and just click on the storage. So at here you have to click on the clear data and just delete it. Then you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to probably check for an update. So here we can see it's saying required update. So just click on update now button. So from here you can directly go to Google Play Store and go through the app same way. Then here you can see the app. So at here you have to click on the update button and you can update it and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.